Native English practice. Finally done. I swear today felt like 5 days in one.
Same here. My brain is officially fried.
Ready to walk?
Yep. Fresh air might save my life right now.
Let's hope. So, how was your day?
For real?
Honestly, weird. Not bad, just weird.
What happened?
I had 3 meetings back to back, all about nothing.
Oh, the meetings that could have been emails.
Exactly. You get it.
I live that life.
But something funny happened too.
Ooh, tell me.
Someone brought donuts, right? But the box was empty in like 8 minutes.
That's the office wildlife for you.
I didn't even get one.
Tragic. Truly tragic.
Honestly, the biggest pain of my day.
I love how dramatic you are.
What about you? Anything interesting?
Kinda. A customer yelled at me, then apologized, then thanked me, all in the same minute.
Wow. Emotional roller coaster.
I know, right?
What'd you do?
Nothing. I just stood there like, okay?
That's customer service in one sentence.
I actually like this walk after work.
Yeah, it feels kind of nice. Like my brain finally gets a break.
Right? The office air feels fake sometimes.
It does. It's like recycled stress.
Exactly. This is real, fresh, normal air.
Mixed with a little dust.
Okay. True, but still better.
Walking also makes me forget I'm tired.
Same. When I sit, I die.
When I walk, I survive.
Wow, deep poetry.
Thank you. I try.
Honestly, though, talking after work helps me.
Yeah, me too. It's like free therapy.
And cheaper.
Definitely cheaper.
Plus, if I go straight home, I start thinking too much.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous. Thinking is overrated.
Couldn't agree more. I swear I could fall asleep standing.
Then don't. If you fall, I will not catch you.
Wow. That hurts.
I'm being realistic. I have weak arms.
So if I collapse
I scream.
and run away?
Probably. Or I take a picture first.
Of course. Friendship priorities.
Always.
But seriously, I'm exhausted.
Same. My legs feel like noodles.
Soft noodles or hard noodles?
Very soft. Like, like, can't even pick them up with chopsticks soft.
That's serious.
Yeah. My feet hurt too.
Same. I think my shoes hate me.
Mine too. They're cute, but painful.
Painful fashion. That's life.
At least we suffered together.
Oh, teamwork.
Are you cooking tonight?
Not at all. My stove is on vacation.
Lucky stove.
What about you?
Nope, I refuse to cook today.
Good. Solid decision.
I'm thinking about tacos.
Tacos sound amazing.
Or pizza.
Pizza is safe.
Or maybe Chinese takeout.
Oh no. Now I want noodles.
You always want noodles.
True.
Honestly, food is the best part of my day.
Same. I look forward to dinner like it's a holiday.
What about burgers?
Stop, you're making me hungry.
I'm making myself hungry.
What time do you usually eat?
Late. Like 10 p.m.
That's basically midnight.
Don't judge me.
I'm not judging. I'm just observing chaos.
Fair.
So, any weekend plans?
Honestly, no. Just sleep.
Same. I need a full system restart.
Like, turn me off and turn me back on.
Exactly.
But maybe I should do something fun this weekend.
Yeah, we should get out.
Out where?
Out where? A movie?
Possible.
Bowling?
Fun.
Mini golf?
Haven't done that in years.
Ice cream?
Always a yes.
We could do 2 things.
Or 3 if we're feeling wild.
Wild, like after 8 p.m.?
Calm down. Not that wild.
Okay. Saturday, maybe?
Saturday works.
Morning or evening?
Evening. I need my beauty sleep.
You already look fine.
Aw, look at you being nice.
Happens sometimes.
We can invite Sam, right?
Yeah, I'll say yes for sure.
Cool. It's a plan then.
Done. Hey, can I tell you something kind of small but annoying?
Yeah, of course. What's up?
I think I lost my apartment key again.
Oh no. Again. Don't judge me. I have a key problem.
Okay. When did you last see it?
This morning? Maybe? Or maybe yesterday. I don't know.
That's helpful. Very helpful.
I know. I'm a mess.
Did you check your bag?
Checked.
Your pocket?
Checked.
Your jacket?
Checked.
You're under your couch?
Why would it be under my couch?
I don't know. Keys go places.
True.
Do you have a spare key?
Yes. Somewhere.
Let me guess, you lost that too.
Maybe.
Maya?
I know I need a key tracker.
Yes, immediately.
I'll just tape the key to my forehead.
Please don't.
Fine. I'll search again when I get home.
Want you help me?
If you don't mind.
I don't. Plus, I want to see the chaos.
It's bad.
I'm ready. You want to hear something funny from work today?
Always. Tell me.
So my boss tried to fix the coffee machine.
Oh no.
Yes, he pressed one button, then another, then all the buttons.
Dangerous?
The machine made a weird brrrr sound. And then it shot coffee straight onto his shirt.
No way.
Full splash.
Hot coffee?
Warm. He didn't die.
I'm sorry, but that is hilarious.
He just stood there like, why me?
Poor guy.
He looked like a coffee painting.
Did anyone laugh?
Everyone tried not to laugh.
Impossible.
My face was shaking.
Did he say anything?
He said, "This is not my brightest moment."
I want to see that.
I wish I recorded it.
That's the type of content the world needs.
True.
At least your day wasn't boring.
Not at all.
You know, sometimes I feel like life is going too fast.
Yeah, I get that.
Like work, home, sleep, repeat.
The classic loop.
Exactly.
I feel that too, sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, like I'm doing everything but also nothing.
Oh my God, yes. That's exactly how it feels.
It's weird, right?
Very weird.
I try to remind myself that small things matter too.
Like walking home?
Yeah, like laughing, talking, eating something nice,
True. Those moments feel real.
and they help us survive the boring parts.
Yeah, talking to you helps me feel calmer.
Same. You're easy to talk to.
Aw, thanks.
And you're funny.
I try.
But seriously, you're doing okay.
You think so?
Yeah, you work hard, you care, you keep going.
Thanks. I needed that today.
Anytime.
Hey, look, we're almost at our street
Yeah, this walk felt fast today.
because we talked nonstop.
True. We should charge people for our conversations.
Yeah, like premium walking talk.
$5 an hour.
Too cheap. We're valuable.
Okay, $20 then.
Better?
So, what are you doing when you get home?
Shower, food, bed.
Same order?
Always.
Good routine. What about you?
I'm probably going to watch something and fall asleep in 10 minutes.
Classic you.
I try. Thanks for walking with me.
Anytime. I like our after-work talks.
Me too. They make my day better.
Same here.
Okay? See you tomorrow?
Of course. Same time, same street.
Great. Take care.
You too. Good night.
Good night.
This part of the street is always so calm.
Yeah, I kind of love it.
It feels safe too.
And it's nicer when we walk together instead of alone.
Definitely.
You know, I think I need to start sleeping earlier.
Yes. Yes, you do.
Don't judge me.
I'm not judging. I'm just observing chaos.
Fair.
Okay, this is my turn.
Cool. Text me about the tacos
I will.
and the bowling plan.
Saturday it is.
Done. Later.
Bye. Get some rest.
And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there. Real English. Real practice. Real progress. Only with us.